Greetings, book enthusiasts and knowledge seekers. Welcome to another episode on Book Nook, your go-to place for insights from the world's best books. We're here to unravel the wisdom enclosed within the pages of countless books, one captivating volume at a time. Our discussions are not just summaries, we delve deep, explore themes, and draw connections to the real world. Today we dive into the intriguing world of strategy and power dynamics with our book of the day, The 48 Laws of Power. Penned by Robert Greene, The 48 Laws of Power is a modern classic, offering timeless wisdom on the art of power and influence. This masterpiece is more than just a book. It's a comprehensive guide to understanding the dynamics of power, manipulation, and strategy in real-world scenarios. Robert Greene, the author, is renowned for his profound understanding of human nature and power dynamics. He's meticulously distilled centuries of history, philosophy, and wisdom into 48 laws, each providing unique insights into the elusive concept of power. The book's significance extends beyond the realm of leadership. Its teachings resonate with anyone seeking personal development, strategic thinking, or a deeper understanding of human behavior. Greene's laws offer a roadmap to success, influence, and power, irrespective of one's professional or personal pursuits. The laws are not meant to be malicious or deceptive, but rather provide a lens through which we can view the world, helping us navigate the complex maze of social dynamics. Intriguing, isn't it? Well, let's delve deeper and uncover the wisdom this book holds. The book, as the title suggests, presents 48 laws of power. For the sake of time, we will focus on some of the most influential laws. Let's dive right in, starting with Law 1, Never outshine the master. This law emphasizes the importance of not overshadowing those in positions of authority. It's about understanding that there is a delicate balance of power and respect that must be maintained. Outshining those in power could lead to resentment and potential downfall. Next up, Law 3, Conceal your intentions. This law advises keeping your cards close to your chest. By revealing your intentions, you provide others the opportunity to sabotage your plans or use your ideas for their own benefit. In the game of power, secrecy is a valuable weapon. Moving on to Law 6, court attention at all costs. In the world of power, obscurity is your greatest enemy. Those who hold power are those who command attention. Whether it's through grand gestures, impressive feats, or simply by being the loudest in the room, courting attention ensures you're never forgotten. We then have Law 15, crush your enemy totally. While it may sound harsh, this law is about ensuring that threats to your power are completely eliminated. It's not enough to merely defeat an enemy, they must be so crushed that they cannot rise again to challenge you. This law speaks to the ruthlessness often required in the pursuit of power. Law 18, do not build fortresses to protect yourself. Isolation is dangerous. This law warns against the perils of becoming too isolated. Power comes not just from strength, but also from alliances, connections, and mutual support. By isolating yourself, you risk losing touch with those who could help you maintain or increase your power. Now Law 27, create a cult-like following. This law is about the power of influence and persuasion. It suggests that to maintain and grow your power, you should strive to cultivate a group of devoted followers who will support and champion your cause. On to Law 33, discover each man's thumbscrew. This law advises that everyone has a weakness, a vulnerability that can be exploited. In the realm of power, understanding and exploiting these weaknesses can provide a significant advantage. And finally, Law 48, assume formlessness. This law emphasizes the power of adaptability. In a constantly changing world, those who can adapt and evolve hold the greatest power. By assuming formlessness, you can flow with change rather than being swept away by it. These laws, while just a portion of the book, provide a glimpse into the wealth of knowledge Robert Greene shares. Now that we've delved into some of the laws, you might be wondering, how can these be applied in real life? Well, let's imagine you're at your workplace. You've been working diligently for years, yet promotions seem to pass you by. This is where Law 6, court attention at all costs, comes into play. By making your presence known, showcasing your achievements, and becoming indispensable, you will be in the limelight, increasing your chances of recognition and promotion. Or consider a scenario where you're leading a team on a crucial project. Law 15, crush your enemy totally, might seem harsh in this context, but it can be interpreted as never leaving room for errors or setbacks that could jeopardize your project. By ensuring thorough work and leaving no stone unturned, you pave the way for success. Now, let's shift gears to personal relationships. Law 26, keep your hands clean, advises maintaining a spotless reputation by allowing others to do the dirty work. This doesn't mean manipulating people to do wrong. Rather, it's about delegating tasks that might cause controversy or conflict, thus protecting your own reputation. Or think about Law 46, never appear too perfect. In friendships and romantic relationships, appearing too flawless can make others insecure or suspicious. By showing vulnerability and acknowledging your imperfections, you make yourself more relatable and trustworthy. Finally, let's take a look at Law 1, never outshine the master. This can be applied in various scenarios, from respecting your boss at work to acknowledging a friend's expertise in a certain area. This law teaches us the importance of humility and respect for others' authority and skills. As you can see, the laws from this book can be a game changer in both professional and personal scenarios. These scenarios are just a few examples of how the 48 laws of power can be practically applied. By understanding and implementing these laws, you can navigate your path to power, influence, and success. As we wrap up our journey through the 48 laws of power, it's clear that this book offers valuable insights for anyone seeking to navigate the complexities of power dynamics. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've discussed today. We started off by delving into the essence of the book and its overarching theme of power. We explored how Robert Greene meticulously unravels the threads of power, manipulation, and influence through historical anecdotes and profound analysis. We then dove into some of the key laws such as never outshine the master, enter action with boldness, and conceal your intentions. We discussed how these laws, when applied judiciously, can make a significant difference in our personal and professional lives. Following that, we touched upon the practical applications of these laws. We delved into real-world examples that demonstrate the efficacy and relevance of these laws in our everyday lives. Throughout our discussion, we emphasized the value of the 48 laws of power. Whether you're a leader, an entrepreneur, or just someone interested in understanding the nuances of power dynamics, this book is a must-read. Remember, knowledge is power, so keep reading and keep growing. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Book Nook for more enlightening book reviews. Until next time.